So this is the new project. This is our brand new, made in China, 10,000 pound, 2-post lift. And this is the hardware that's going to hold it into the ground. No, it's not. What is this hardware?
That's the hardware they sent to hold it into the ground.
Oh.
They're gonna epoxy in
Oh.
anchors.
Epoxy and anchors.
Mechanical anchor holding 10,000 pounds over your head.
Not trusty.
I'm not.
So what are those things?
Go on the lifting arms. Little, so
Oh.
put that under the frame.
Okay, so that's what your car sets on?
Mm-hmm.
Or whatever. So this will lift the Camaro, the Chevelle, the Explorer, the Prius, the truck, not the semi, but the pickup. That's cool.
Yeah.
It'll lift part of the semi, either the front or the back. It'll take the cab off.
But now we have some washers.
Oh, perfect, because we weren't sure if we had those. I wasn't sure if we had those. Sam is 100% sure he's got some somewhere.
Place known only to me.
Or if he tells, I was going to say, when you tell me what they look like, I will go look at every single box in the bird poo shop until I find something that's a box of washers or nuts.
How scary they are.
Look at that chain. What does the chain do?
Lifts the cars.
Oh,
So hydraulic cylinder pushes against that. That makes the so cylinder only would go about this far, but chain on there makes it. How do I word it? It goes farther.
okay.
So that moves 1 mile an hour. This moves 2 miles an hour.
Ooh,
Not really miles an hour.
right. But just the ratio of,
Yeah, instead of reducing it. But because that, it doubles the distance.
oh, okay, cool. What is that thing?
I have no idea. I was wondering the same thing.
Oh, it's got some pretty, ew. What is that?
Oh, it's supposed to keep it from rusting, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, okay.
Oh, those are the, yeah. I bet you this is from Awesome Auction House, just throwing all this crap outside.
Oh.
So they're arm extensions.
Oh, okay.
So it's fine that it happens to be marred there, or rusted there.
Oh, okay. So that is rust?
Yeah.
That's
It's
crazy.
goo and rust.
Oh, go and rust. Okay.
I think mostly rust.
Okay.
I don't know, really.
All right.
It's the end.
Well, I'm going to believe you because I know less about it than you do. So whatever you say sounds good to me.
Maybe that's the Chinesium that it's made of.
Oh, that is what Chinesium looks like. That looks beefy.
Yeah, kinda.
That's the arm that swings in and out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And that's where those little extendos and the pads would
Oh, okay. That is crazy. You don't think that looks beefy?
It's big enough, I hope.
Okay.
We'll find out.
It's yellow, so it matches the compressor and
Oh, not quite cat yellow.
not quite cat yellow.
But,
It's Chinese
I
cat
think
yellow.
It is about the same as that rotary lift, from what I remember.
Okay.
I don't know. We'll
Oh.
see. But people, it's cheaply made,
Yes, well, then that is.
no doubt. Not to safety standards and all that kind of stuff. So if they drop something, so people whine about how floppy, and it looks like they're bending because the slot lets it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Here will be a fun test. Oh, it stops. But, yeah, we'll see.
Okay. The price was right.
Yeah. Right up until it squishes us. And the price was wrong.
Surely there's some kind of safety built in that'll keep us from dying.
Most manufacturers, they say, build in like a 2.5 safety factor or something like that. But this doesn't necessarily follow any of that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Did they build in the redneck factor, though?
And what is it? 0.5 safety factor. It'll lift 5,000 easy.
The Prius is probably the heaviest car we have, though, right?
Prius?
Yeah? Because of the big battery underneath?
That'd be
Oh. The truck, though, honestly, is probably the heaviest.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't. Honestly, put it on here.
Come on.
I think it's 8,000. From what I remember.
So you could put it on and just lift it a little ways, like to change the tires, but you wouldn't lift it like head height.
Well, they claim that that's the worst part is down below, because it has. How do I read it? So the stiction of this and then the arms to the truck
Okay.
keep like the arm sitting on the truck
Uh-huh.
keeps it from collapsing in this way.
Okay.
So the big arm, there's not a lot of movement that way. But
Okay.
once you get up here, there's lots. So it's like a leverage thing.
Okay.
So the weight has a whole bunch of leverage over it down here, but you get up here, and the columns can't collapse towards each other
Huh.
because they'd have to move this far versus only small. You're not
That
following?
does not make any sense to me at all, because if you're only a couple feet off the ground,
It's not height. It won't fall as far,
well, it won't, yeah,
but
it's less stable.
no.
Sam's gonna give me a physics lesson.
Well,
No,
so the distance, if a column's gonna fall,
uh-huh,
it moves that far for that far.
Yeah,
Right? That's
yeah.
like an inch and a half.
okay,
So I was moving about like this. That's
Yeah.
like 6 or 8 inches.
yeah,
So if its little arms are out and there's a truck and the other column has this little arm
uh-huh.
out, the column lifting the truck has enough friction
Oh,
that the columns push against each other.
Got it.
So they brace themselves.
got it. But down there, there's
Down
not
there.
enough.
Well, it only has to move that far for the columns to move.
If-
the whole
okay.
time.
See, now it makes sense. I'm a visual learner, apparently. I needed the picture.
But anyway, that's what people say. So it's actually safer higher.
So weird.
Yeah.
I would rather have it fall 2 feet,
Well, it's where you'd rather have it fall, but as far as
the likelihood.
physics says, the sturdiness of the bolts and anchors and the whole mechanism.
Okay.
Because it's not, gravity doesn't affect it any differently up there.
True.
So,
No, that's true.
but I will agree with you that if you're
Uh-huh.
looking around on the truck, it has more leverage on the arms up there. So
Yeah, I don't know.
rebalance. We need to get, depending on lots of things, some of those just little quick screw jacks just to stabilize, not lift.
We can get some now.
You want some?
Remember I said we need to get some of those like twisty jacks and a oil thing on a stick, and you're like, no, because we'll never have a lift. And now we have a lift, so now I need spinny screw jacks and screw jacks and a oil bucket on a stick. I'm so excited.
I put this back here thinking I'd be a long time, but it's a I do what I want weekend. You have to remind me wherever we set it, we have to remember it's not that big a deal to move it.
True. Well, I guess it depends on how big of a deal it was to get it in the original location, and theoretically it shouldn't be a big deal to move it.
Did you show where
I did not. So we're thinking we're gonna put it here, and this is the drive over cord
Yeah,
protector.
It's not a clear span or whatever it's called. It's a bottom one.
Mm,
So nicer ones. It depends on what you have.
right?
But the hoopty goes over the top, so you have wide open bottom. This isn't that.
This is not
this
that.
kind.
This is this kind. And we were thinking we were gonna put it back there, I think.
Like I always think, put it out of the way. But watching people who actually use them, they put them in the front.
Right.
You pull in, you put it on, you use it, and you pull out.
Right, because if we put it back there where the scaffolding is, all of this space is probably gonna get filled up with stuff, and then when you need it, you're gonna have to move a whole ton of stuff to use it, so we probably wouldn't end up moving all the stuff, we would just end up doing something different and not actually use it. So right here, pull in, use it, go on about your life.
Obvious concern is deciding how far to stay away from saw lines.
Yeah.
Super
So-
cells.
You have to drill through that hole. 5 holes per post. Okay.
So,
Okay.
probably gonna go there. Get away from that. Further. And the back of it shouldn't be much more than that. So
Okay.
we'll have 3 or 4 inches from the saw line.
So you're thinking the edge close to the saw line is going to be weaker, potentially, so when you drill a hole, it could blow out or...
It's not the hole, it's the concrete is, the reason saw lines are there so it breaks there.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
yeah,
If you put a bunch of stress right there, you're going to break that spot, and that's not
concrete.
going to help you be structurally sound for your lift to stay. I got it. So they're not connected to the ground in any way. They're just standing up. So we just stood up the posts for the lift and then brought the Tahoe in here because it's big and full size to see spacing wise how everything looks. And there's tons of room on this side. There's plenty of room in the back, but we're not sure if it's going to be too close to the wall this way. Yeah, because if you tried to take those tires off, you don't have room to...
Yeah, room.
Do you?
Yeah,
To
it's not. So that's what I was saying, is it's probably worth moving this to get an actual sense of what it would be like.
Okay. He's going to move that giant plate, so hold on. So upon further thinking, it's really heavy and there's not really anywhere to move it. But yeah, pretend you're taking the tire off.
With plus further damage. Yeah. Because I have a 8 inches behind me at least.
Sure.
And could be up here working.
True. It only has to come off that far.
Yeah.
So it'll be tight, but it's doable.
Axles could be obnoxious.
Oh, yeah. Because
We'll just cut little circles.
we will.
Axle circles.
Axle circles to go into the other side of the barn. That'll be awesome. Like a porthole that nobody will know what it's for.
I'm stretching for reasons why it would suck.
Well, that was what I was going to ask. Besides taking tires on and off, what else needs to come
Axles.
off the side of the vehicle?
We got that there, even with the post.
I think you'd be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because again, this is if we need room.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Yeah, because we can still pull the peat in and stuff over there
Yep.
and work on stuff.
And if that post is too close, we actually are able to keep things cleanish.
Uh-huh.
Veer to the left, and you're fine.
Exactly. Yeah. No, I like that. I think it makes more sense to put it over here.
I do too. I thought not at first, but I'm glad we thought to try it because that's not horrible.
No, I think it's manageable. And honestly, this is probably the biggest thing we'd ever have in here. Maybe this, well, this and the truck.
Yeah, the pickup. But again, that's gonna look scary as crap because it's physically wider than that.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. So,
The truck will fit. But
yeah, we'll fit. So, do you want to explain that whole mathematical?
actually, I don't know what it is between the posts, but between the carriage, it was 8 foot and 1 inch or something like that.
That yellow thing on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the bed may have like literally an inch, maybe a half inch on each side. The bed on the truck is 8 foot 6 inches.
Okay.
Assuming that's 3 and some change. I think it's 3. Essentially, the truck won't drive past that. The pickup won't drive past that.
Okay.
And the peat, theoretically, just could. Like, we might be nearly rubbing on each side.
Okay.
But for taking its cab off and stuff, it sure seems like it'd be nice and handy.
Yeah.
I'd be curious to see if Chinesium lifts are narrower than normal ones. Compared to that rotary we had, it doesn't seem that much narrower.
No, we just didn't have anything that big, and what we did have that was big, we weren't going to put on it anyway.
Yeah. I do like roughly that placement. Very roughly.
I do too.
Because you can get through the man door.
Yep. Still have plenty of room behind it.
Chevelle or Camaro. Long-term storage to put in front.
Yes.
Something
Yeah, so,
Any other things I like?
yeah. Get your fan mounted up in the window. What is that up there called?
The Bagizo.
The biggies. We're gonna put a fan up there
It's like a gazebo, but
to, but backwards.
The attic.
The attic. That's what I was gonna call it, the attic, the loft. I don't know what that is. The peak of the roof. I don't know. But anyway, that fan is gonna go up there someday.
this makes my air and electric look genius.
Oh yeah, no, you are a genius. This lift will run off 480 volts.
A phase of it, yeah.
So,
That's our hope. Or something.
well, it said on the thing that it will, so we're planning on it. So you need to run another conduit, which we won't make you watch, because
A little bit of me wondered about hooking it to the light circuit, turn the lights on to power it.
that would be cool. So from this side, it looks really good, so.
I will say, you're pulled that way about 3 inches extra, probably.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
I was afraid I was gonna hit the mirror over there.
Yeah, it's the far side always looks weird.
Yeah.
From your side.
So Sam had me pull the Tahoe in, and I had to put it in 4-wheel drive to get over this lip to come in the shop. You can, I'm sure you'll see this in use at some point, and I will probably make at least some portion of a video of Sam drilling holes in concrete, because
That's fun.
well, at least one, just to see what the process is, because the drill bits we bought are huge. I don't even know where the drill bits we bought are.
Yeah, that would be good to know.
We bought a drill.
Oh, they're in the exploder still.
Oh, so yeah, when we unload those, we'll show you all of that. So until later, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.